Hi, in this video we'll see network setup in HP NV5000 all-in-one series printer. So let's see. Additional advanced settings are available from the printer's homepage, which is also embedded web server or EWS. So this section contains the following topics. Here you can see on the screen. First, set up the printer for wireless communication, change network settings and use Wi-Fi Direct. So let's see first topic of this video, which is set up the printer for wireless communication. So there are subtopics also available. Before you begin, set up the printer on your wireless network, change the connection type, test the wireless connection and turn on or off the wireless capability of the printer. So let's see the details and discuss the detail in depth. Some important note and tips are available. You can see on the screen and refer the same. Before you begin, ensure the following: the topics which is and tips which is available on the screen. You can refer the same for complete information. Let's move to the next subtopic, which is set up the printer on your wireless network. To set up the printer through control panel, use the wireless setup wizard from the printer control panel display to set up wireless communication. So you can follow these steps. There are 4 steps available to set up from printer control panel. You can refer the screen. Now let's move to the next subtopic, which is to set up using the HP Smart app. You can use the HP Smart app to set up the printer on your wireless network. HP Smart app is supported on various platforms like iOS, Android and Windows devices. So there are 3 topics available to set up using the HP Smart app. Now let's move. Let's see, change the connection type. After successful installation of HP printer software and after connected the printer to your computer or to a network, you can also use the software to change the connection type. For example, from USB connection to a wireless connection. So let's see and test the wireless connection. You can print the wireless test report information from printer wireless connection. Wireless test report provides information about printer status, hardware, MAC address and IP address. If there is any problem with the wireless connection or if a wireless connection attempt failed. To print the wireless test report, you can follow these steps. There are 3 steps. Let's move to the next topic, which is turn on or off the wireless capability of the printer. Blue wireless light on the printer control panel is lit when the wireless capability of printer is on. So you can see on the screen there are 2 top points are available. In first, touch the wireless and touch settings, and second step, touch the toggle button next to wireless to turn on wireless capability on or off. Let's move to the next topic of this video, which is change network settings. From HP control panel printer settings, you can change and manage and set up your printer wireless connection and perform a variety of network management tasks. Here you can change network settings, restoring network defaults and turning the wireless function on or off. Some important caution is here. You can refer the screen for detail. To print network setting, you can do the following, which is available in 2 points. You can follow the same, and to change IP address, you can follow on a screen instruction which is available. You can see on the screen. To change the IP address, there are 6 topics and points are available. You can follow the same. Now let's see last topic of this video, which is use Wi-Fi Direct. Wi-Fi Direct is useful to print wirelessly from a computer, smartphone, tablet or other wireless capable device without connecting to an existing wireless network. Here are some guidelines for using Wi-Fi Direct. So make sure your computer or mobile device has the necessary software. So you can refer the screen for more detail. And to turn on Wi-Fi Direct, you can follow these 3 steps. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to printer, click on support link which is available in video description for any help.